If you'd like to take part in the next Canton Fair to meet suppliers for your online business or physical business, this video is for you. Not only will I show you how to get this badge to enter the Canton Fair and thousands of suppliers, but as well how to find a good accommodation, what to take into consideration when talking to the suppliers, and a bonus, in the end of the video I will show you a multiple figure business idea, plus product which I'm sure you have never seen, plus the contact detail of the supplier. Sounds good to you? Stay tuned until the end of the video. My name is Maxim, welcome to my channel Maximize Your Online Biz. If you are interested into learning how to sell physical goods on Amazon or other platforms or via your online shop, and how to make money online, which gives you the ability to live everywhere around the world, make sure to subscribe to my channel, watch the other videos and like the video. So, the Canton Fair takes place in the southern Chinese city of Guangzhou. Guangzhou is near Shenzhen and near Hong Kong. It's in the south of China, and the Canton Fair is held twice a year. One time in autumn, the phase which I participated, and one time in spring. The Canton Fair is divided in 3 different phases. All of these 3 phases cover different industries. So first, how to prepare for the Canton Fair. If you want, you can pre-register for this badge, which you need to enter the Canton Fair every day. You need to take it. Do not forget it, if not they won't let you in. They have also facial recognition, they have many securities, so there won't be any possible way I could imagine to enter the Canton Fair without the badge. So first day when you arrive at the Canton Fair, either you can do a pre-registration online, which I actually have done. To be very honest, it hasn't had any advantage for me because I forgot it at the hotel. It was also really great struggle to do the pre-registration. I think it takes multiple hours, I think at least 1 to 2 hours, which is a bit of pain in the ass if you can say it like that. So when I came and forgot the pre-registration formula, there were many people which are helping. It's like a giant complex when you enter, and they say, yeah, you can do it just on your mobile phone. They will help you how to do it. Make just sure to take your passport, and after they will help you and you can get things done in 10 to 15 minutes. So my recommendation is do not do it online upfront, just come there and they will help you with setting everything up. That's the first thing. The second tip I have for you, take a hotel in walking distance to the Canton Fair. Make sure it's maybe in a 1 kilometer radius, maybe 15 to 20 minutes walking distance to the Canton Fair, because the traffic for the start of the Canton Fair and in the ending in the afternoon is really crazy, and so I think you would prefer, rather than be stuck in the traffic for multiple hours maybe, to just walk home. And yeah, I took a hotel on the platform trips.com. I've also done a previous video where I talked about my general Chinese business trip. I recommended it apps. I told you how to get a SIM card, etc, etc. Make sure to watch that. I will link it below if you haven't seen it. But yes, via the platform trips.com you can find nice hotels. There are higher end hotels, there are lower end hotels. Pricing wise, the hotel cost normally starts from round about $60. Especially in this period, I think it's more expensive, and just as I said, make sure to find a hotel which is near the Canton Fair. Another thing which I would do before going to China, try to set up WeChat. WeChat is like WhatsApp, but the Chinese version of WhatsApp, not exactly the same app of course, but it's their number 1, I think, communication application, and so you need it for your business trip to China. It will facilitate your life. Try to get it. You need to be accepted, so this could be a bit hard, but try to find maybe someone at the Canton Fair or watch some videos up front, or contact me on Instagram. I can also try to accept you to WeChat, because after you can just scan the contact data of the suppliers and it makes the communication very easy. It's the way how the Chinese suppliers normally also communicate. So number 2, how to make sure to find the right supplier. First of all, as I told, there are 3 different phases, so make sure to attend one of the phases which covers your wished industry, your wished products. Also, in my mind, I would at least have a look at some products which I'm interested in. If you're not already selling some goods and you search maybe some other products you can sell around to create a market, to create a brand. It's overwhelmingly big, the complex. So first of all, have a look on which phase you will attend. attend. Me myself, I attended phase 3, where you have like some household products and you have sports products, textile products, etc, etc. Have a look on what phase could be the most suitable for you. And also another thing you can do, look on Alibaba for your products, talk to the suppliers and ask them if they will attend the Canton Fair. If so, they already will take you which phase they will attend, and they will also give you their booth number. So you already have some booth numbers of interesting suppliers you want to visit, and normally if it's one category, other potential interesting suppliers for you will be nearby, so you will find them as well. So in the Canton Fair, there's an information desk one time you have entered. Go there first of all, they will give you a floor plan. I will blend in one here and show them also products, images of your products which could be interesting for you, and so they will help you to find suppliers which could offer these products, because they can make researches and they can find also suppliers. They will know the booth numbers, and so you can visit them. That's the first thing. So what I would do as well is, if there are like industries products which you're a bit interested in but not too much, you will see on the floor plan there's like one main alley and there are little other alleys which are going left and right. And just if you are in a hall where there's an industry which is very relevant for you, make sure to visit all of the different booths to have a look if there could be interesting products. But if it is an industry which isn't too relevant for you or not at all, just walk the main alley, look left, right, is there something interesting? If not, just continue. I think 5 days is already very close to visit all of these stands, because it's really huge. I think it's one of the biggest expositions in the world. So number 3, how to approach your suppliers. If you find a product which is interesting to you, just approach your suppliers with a smile, present yourself, say, hi, my name is Maxim, I'm an e-commerce seller and I sell t-shirts. I'm interested, can you show me your products? After, you can of course ask them for the prices. That's something you should do. There's really great differences of the pricing. After, you can also find out why is this difference there. Is there a difference in the how are they produced? Is one a better quality, is one a lower quality? But there are also really like equal products I had, which I had prices sometimes from $2 to $3 and others offered me prices like $10. And you will also see there are more likable suppliers and suppliers where you have lesser feeling, which maybe will be a bit ignorant with you, etc, etc. But as there are many suppliers, you will find good and suitable suppliers. Ask them about the price, about production times, ask them about where they come from, if they are manufacturer or if they are a trading company. Yeah, make sure to ask these questions. You can take their business card. I also would do that. Take their business card, leave some notes behind. As you see, I have plenty of business cards, really plenty of business cards, and on most of them I made some notes just for myself, because of course right now I do not know anymore what they do. Just to remember that, take the business cards, note the prices, note some remarkable things about them. I don't know, supplier with blue hair, so maybe that wouldn't exist, but you understand my point, that later on you still remember them. That's one thing. And in addition to that, very important, if you have WeChat, you can just scan their code or they can scan your code. After, you can exchange the contact information, and in the chat with the suppliers, what I would do a video of the booth with the supplier on it, and I would also send directly the prices for certain products which you had with the image in this chat. So later on you will remember, and when you come back home you can start the sourcing process with the suppliers. But make attention, because I heard already from other people to take as well the business cards, because I heard from some suppliers that they already had clients which weren't able to use WeChat abroad. For me it works perfectly fine. I don't know, maybe it depends the country or also your special case, but make sure to take as well the business cards. WeChat plus business card and you're good. So now we will come to our bonus tip, to the $1 million idea. Thanks for watching until right now. I think you had all interesting facts. If you have still some open questions, feel free to ask them below. And so I saw a product in one of the halls and it got really a great attention. Many people were very interested in it. I think it was a product which I saw where the people were the most interested about. And so it was this bubble machine with the special fact, it makes bubbles, but in these bubbles there's smoke, and so it makes like a very nice effect. I've also went out one night with friends of mine which are very big in the event scene, and because this bar was also having this product and they said, wow, cool, you were a bit curious about. So I think it's a product which surely you haven't seen, surely many discos, nightclubs, etc. haven't seen, many event companies haven't seen. And so the business model, what I would do around it, I would create a website, number one. I would create a social media. I think it's very, very easy to get viral with this kind of video because it's something new which the people don't know. And after, I would contact nightclubs, I would contact event agencies, wedding agencies, wedding locations, bars, restaurants, etc. And after, you can just cold call them, tell them, yeah, I have a nice product, you could be interested, I'm the manufacturer of product XI, you search for a nice name, and after you can sell it to them. That's basically it. So the product itself, I think it costs around $50, so you could sell it for $200 to $300 per unit. I think $300 could be a great way, and you can also sell the refill for this product. So you even have a consumable product and the client will come back again. And as it's big clients, they also will take like not just one machine, they will take multiple machines. So as I said, this is the contact details. I will give it to you. The only thing you have to do, comment below Canton Fair guide and send me a screenshot on my Instagram and I will send it to you. So thanks for watching the video. If in general you're interested in online business related topics, sourcing related topics, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have another idea for a video which could be helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your time. Be productive. Have a nice day and bye bye.